Good Friday morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist Isaac Cleland. Thank you for clicking on to abc12.com or checking us out in the Storm Tracker 12 weather app. November is here, and that means October is in the record books. It was a warm month, 3.9 degrees warmer than normal in Flint, 4.5 degrees warmer than normal in Saginaw, making it the 5th warmest October on record in Flint and the 9th warmest October on record in Saginaw. As far as the rainfall, 16th driest in Flint. We measured 1.22 inches. That's 1.55 inches lower than normal, and in Saginaw, the 29th driest October, 1.5 inches of rain was observed, which is 1.41 inches below normal. Now, when we combine September and October together, it's been dry here as well. First driest eastern UP, second driest northeastern lower Michigan, fifth driest northwestern lower Michigan and western UP, seventh driest right through the Great Lakes Bay region and Thumb, the 8th driest across central lower Michigan, and then it's the 11th driest for southeastern lower Michigan, including the Flint area, the 12th driest central and southern lower Michigan, 15th driest southwest, and 18th driest across west central lower Michigan. Again, those are the ranks when we combine September and October together. It certainly has been a very dry time frame. In fact, September 1st through October 31st, 5th driest on record in Flint with 2.23 inches of rain measured, and in Saginaw, the 6th driest over this approximate 60 or 61 day time frame, 2.25 inches of rain measured this year. Only 5 years saw less rain during the months of September and October combined. As a result of the dry conditions over the past 2 months, we do have severe drought ongoing in that darker brown colored shading there. In the lighter brown, a moderate drought is in progress, and then it's unusually dry here for areas shaded in yellow. Now, what's interesting here is now as we are flipping the calendar over into November, it looks like we're going to see a pattern change. So rather than being dry, we're about to turn wet. Now, remember, I just mentioned that through September and October combined, we've measured about 2.25 inches of rain. Well, over the course of the next 7 days, we could certainly see some beneficial rains here. We'll call it a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches southeast and 1.5 to 2.5 inches northwest. This is a general idea over the next week. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday look to bring us some much needed rainfall. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast for today. We ended October very warm with highs in the 70s on the 29th, 30th, and 31st. Now the first 3 days of November, we're going to see highs in the 50s, which is much more typical for this time of the year. So it just gets us back to normal after we ended the month of October with those record warm conditions. Mostly cloudy skies for today. By this evening, the clouds will be breaking up, and we'll see mostly clear skies as we head through tonight. That means our Saturday is going to be mostly sunny, but then the clouds will be rolling in Saturday night into Sunday. Sunday, we'll likely see some rain developing, especially as we head into the afternoon. Once this rain is here, it continues Monday and Tuesday. Again, some much needed rain on the way. The winds, they're still noticeable this morning, a little bit breezy, but the trend will be for them to be diminishing during the afternoon and evening, and then for tonight and tomorrow, very light wind speeds are expected. So highs today right around the 50-degree mark. Notice our average high is 53, so it's much closer to where we should be for this time of the year. Lows tonight dip to near or below the freezing mark as skies become mostly clear and we have light and variable winds. For the weekend, on Saturday, we're looking at mostly sunny skies, so a very light southerly wind here. Highs will be in the mid-50s. That'll be the day to go outside and maybe rake up some leaves, get some work done there as we'll have the sunshine, because then Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, rain moves in early Sunday morning. We flip the clocks back 1 hour. Highs to close out the weekend will be in the 50s as well. Beyond the weekend, there's the rain Monday and Tuesday. Could even be a few thunderstorms on Election Day as well. A warm front goes north of us, so we do see another warm up back to near 70 degrees on Tuesday. Tuesday's cold front, though, drops us back into the 50s again with partly sunny skies Wednesday and Thursday.